Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So guys, this is part 3 and the last part of the 3-ingredient recipe. Again, I got it from Buzzfeed. If you haven't seen the other two, they're gonna be in the iCards and also in the description box down below. So today we're gonna be making a tomato sauce recipe with 3 ingredients. So I've also made tomato sauce recipe. I will also leave it in the iCards and also in the description box down below if you wanna make the more complex and more flavorful recipe that I've already made, so you can go check it out and I'll put the links down below. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it.
Perfect.
So that's it for me. This recipe is also kind of like you're making gravy. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the 3-part series of the 3-ingredient recipe. And again, I got these recipes off of Buzzfeed. I will leave the link down below. And until next time, bye.